In Wise Bunny's house, little Ronnie was feeling hungry. He looked around and saw the kitchen full of delicious ingredients. Excited, he decided to prepare a meal all by himself, without asking for permission. Ronnie grabbed the flour and poured it all over the table. Then he picked up the sugar, but he accidentally used salt instead. He didn't notice the mess he was making. Determined to bake a cake, he cracked some eggs. But instead of putting them in a bowl, they splattered everywhere, even on his soft fur. While trying to mix the ingredients, he pressed the blender too hard. The batter flew into the air, covering the walls and ceiling. Ronnie laughed, still unaware of the disaster he had caused. Just then, Wise Bunny walked into the kitchen. He froze in shock, his eyes widening at the chaotic scene. The kitchen looked like a science experiment gone wrong. Wise Bunny approached Ronnie and asked calmly, "What is going on here?" Ronnie stammered, "I just wanted to make a delicious cake." Wise Bunny smiled and said, "Cooking is fun, but we must follow instructions and stay organized. Otherwise things get messy, just like this." He handed Ronnie a clean apron and started explaining the correct steps to bake a cake. Ronnie listened carefully, eager to do it right this time. Ronnie carefully measured the ingredients and mixed them properly. This time, he didn't make a mess, and he felt proud of himself. They placed the cake in the oven and waited together. A delicious smell filled the kitchen, and Ronnie sat excitedly, eager to taste his masterpiece. Wise Bunny took the cake out of the oven and sliced it. He smiled and said, "See? When we follow instructions, we get great results." Ronnie took a bite and grinned. "I'm going to be a great chef one day. But first, I'll clean up the kitchen this time." Wise Bunny laughed and said, "Now that's the right way to think. The importance of following instructions, staying organized, and learning from mistakes." Perfect for a video can be presented with fun, colorful animations and expressive movements to keep kids entertained. Ending message: if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fun tales.